Alright guys, I am back and we have a few packages to open this morning before we take the electric bike to work. So let's see what we got here. First package, turn this down a little bit so you guys can see. Alright, what do we got here? Oh, it's been pretty nice last couple days. Good bike weather. All right. For some reason, I've been going through a lot of these Apple chargers. They work for a while, and then I guess they just get bent or kinked, and then the next thing you know, they do not work. So I'm constantly buying, I don't know why, but I always have to buy more of these chargers. Luckily, they're not real expensive. So this is the iPhone cable, metal spring cable. These are the upgraded ones. There's a 3-footer, a 6-footer, and a 10-footer. Because I use them in all the trucks, and since they get tangled up a lot, I guess there's must be two, might be 2 6-footers, I guess. 2 6-footers, two 3-footers, and then 1 10-footer for $10. So with tax 75 cents, shipping and all that comes to, is that $10.74? So it's not bad. I'll leave a link in the description. Like I said, they work pretty good for a while, and then they start to kink. These are a little bit better because they have the spring right there, so it kind of reinforces the end. So they last a little bit longer, but they don't last forever. Myself. All right, guys, this is pretty decent, and usually if you go to the store, one of these is going to cost you $10, and it's going to be a short one. And most of you guys already have adapters, so it's no big deal. All right, guys, get you one of these cheap cords. They'll last a little while until you get your next one. All right, next on to the next thing.